most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new or watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 9.9 thousand, which is insane. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, we have another segment of somebody else doing my Lush haul, and if you've never seen these videos on my channel before, or you are new to my channel, essentially what I do is I get people to go and do my Lush haul for me, and then I unbox it on camera. I feel like I got this idea ages ago when people were getting their subscribers to pick their ASOS order, and I did a subscribers pick my Lush haul, and I thought, do you know what? Let's get like Ryan to do my Lush haul, and then it is kind of gone from there. Everybody is doing my Lush haul now, which is great, but I have a lot of Lush stuff, so I think this might be the last one for a little while, just because I want to try and use up a lot of these products. But today, my dad did my Lush haul. Now, he was very excited. He was like, I'm going to Bristol, do you want me to do your Lush haul? I was like, yes, yes I do. So him and mum popped into Lush and he picked out my Lush haul. I have it here. I haven't peeked, smelt or felt this bag, so I'm very excited, and I cannot wait. Peeked inside this bag is what I meant. I'm very excited. I'm gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So I'm not gonna peek in the bag. I'm gonna put my hand in and pull stuff out at random. So let's dive in and go for something in a pot. Let's do it. What do we have? Oh, okay, very different. Very different. And actually, I haven't used this product probably since I worked there. This is the Dirty Shaving Cream. Is this a new formula? Have I gone crazy? Possibly. Oh, okay, no, yeah, that makes sense. Sorry. I thought the expiry date said it goes out of date in a month, but I was reading the wrong date, so ignore that. Ingredients wise, we have got oat milk, safflower oil. I don't know what that is. Shea butter, lavender oil, sandalwood oil, Tonka Absolute. Let's give it a smell and see what it's like. Ooh, oh, it's a lot runnier than I thought. Oh, wow. Oh no, I didn't even mean to do that. Got really into smelling that. Let's rub that. Oh, I've made a right mess. Hang on. Do you know what? This is why I don't have nice things, okay? Because this is going everywhere. Oh no, it's all in the crease. I hate that. That is like one of my biggest things, is like when you screw a lid on and like all the product just gets stuck in the ridges of the product. So gross. Oh wow, yeah, that's really good. Very soft. Like soft in feel, not soft in smell. That smells delish. I am really, really impressed so far. So thanks, Dad, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are. I can't wait to use this. I've not used this in a very long time. And also I used to use D-Fluff shaving soap, but they got rid of it, which still hurts my heart to this day. So I'm so excited to give this a try and see how it compares, because yeah, I've heard good things, so I'm excited. Next up in the bag, we have something that is wrapped in paper. Is it a soap? What is it? Oh no! Wiki Magic Muscles Massage Bar. Now I know why he's picked this, because he loves this. He loves this, and I'm thinking, did he buy it so that he can use it himself? Probably. So Dad, if you're watching, do you want this? Because you're more than welcome to have it if you would like. But I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna give it a smell, even though I know what it smells like, but we're gonna smell it anyway, just because I can. So this is what it looks like. It smells super spicy, like a deep heat kind of smell, like very warming, spicy. This is a really good product though. It is a massage bar, so you use it on dry skin when you're out of the shower, and essentially what it does is it works in a similar way to deep heat. It's really good for helping soothe and relax achy muscles. So if you know anybody that's like a runner, a gym person, anybody that gets achy joints and stuff, this product is perfect for that. And ingredients wise, we have got cocoa butter, aduki beans, shea butter, peppermint oil, cinnamon leaf oil, jojoba oil and coconut oil, and yeah, that is what it looks like. It's a really great product. They've had this for a very long time, and it is something that I used to hate the smell of, but the more I've grown, I quite like it now. It's quite a spicy, warming smell. Quite comforting actually. So yeah, I love that, and it is melting in my fingers. So we're gonna move on because I don't want to get massage bar everywhere, but we're just gonna stick that down. Moving on. Okay, how many more products do we have in this bag? I feel 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. So let's pick this one. We have something in a bottle. So excited. What is it? Ooh, Dirty Spring Wash. Okay, he's gone for like a little theme here. Dirty Spring Wash is a really lovely shower gel. Granted, it's definitely not my favourite, but it is more of a summer shower gel in my opinion. So I might put this in the bathroom and then Dad can use it as well because it is a really nice product. Ingredients wise, it has got spearmint oil, fine sea salt, menthol crystals and thyme oil. Essentially, it just smells very spearminty. I don't want to say chewing gummy because that's not 100% accurate, but it definitely is more of a minty smell. Very simple, very kind of fresh. It is really good though. Yeah, it smells delish. I love using this in the summer. It's not a winter shower gel in my opinion. I think it's far too fresh to be a winter shower gel, but this is really good. So I'm excited to use that alongside my shaving cream. So love it. So the next item, we have this one, and what is it? I feel like it's going to be a little cherry pot coin. Am I right? I am right. I love these. Oh, I love the ones with the little paw prints on too. Oh, it's so good. So essentially a cherry pot coin is a solid body lotion. So if I hold my arm up, I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see it on camera, but it is literally melting into my skin. Can you see that? I don't know whether you can. Oh yeah, you can. Look, there it is. And then you just rub it in like a body lotion. It's kind of like a mini massage bar essentially. So, oh, it smells so good. It's very cocoa buttery, very creamy, very subtle. It's not a very, like, you know how you get smells that are like floral and sweet. It's just kind of cocoa butter. Oh, it's so good. I love the smell. And the good thing is with these, not only are they only £1, so an absolute bargain, but all the money for them goes to charity as well, which I love. Ingredients wise in the charity pot coin, we have got jojoba oil, olive oil, geranium oil, ylang ylang oil, rosewood oil, vanilla absolute, cocoa butter, aloe gel, shea butter and Japan wax. Loads of beautiful items. I absolutely love these and I really like the lotion as well. I never really use it because it's not the one that I always gravitate towards, but actually it smells incredible. It smells kind of like baby powder and I love it. Oh, it just smells yes, baby powder. It's so good. So yeah, if you're looking for a new body lotion, I really recommend these. And like I said, they're only £1. Absolute bargain. Smell insane. Next up, we have... Let's go for this one. Ooh. Okay. What could it be? Let's dive in. Is it a shampoo bar? It's definitely a shampoo bar. Okay. I feel like he's buying all of his favourite things because this is my dad's absolute favourite product. Oh, it smells really good. This is the Soak and Float shampoo bar. So this shampoo bar particularly is really, really good for helping with dandruff and flaky and itchy scalp. So if you're more sensitive on the scalp area, this is perfect. Oh, it smells really good too. Oh, it's actually really, really good. Do you know what? I used to hate this smell, but the more, again, that I've grown with the smell, I actually really like it. It's so good. Oh, that's so yum. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got cedarwood absolute, rose oil, tonka absolute, cade oil, marigold petals and rose petals. So I think it is that cade oil that gives it the smell. It never used to smell like this. So it went from smelling really smoky, like pure bonfire smell, and now it smells like All Good Things, which was a perfume that I used to be obsessed with, and I'm so upset they got rid of it. But it's a very... It kind of smells to me like a glamorous festival, like a really incensey vibe. I love it. It's so good. So yeah, I think he's bought this for himself, but we move on. Dad, if you want it, let me know. And last but not least, I think it's the last item in the bag. I'm just going to pull it out and not look at it and just make sure the bag's empty. Yes, it is. Okay, so the last item we have in the bag is Sandstone Soap. Do you know what? I should have guessed because this is my dad's favourite soap as well. So that's hilarious. I love that. Ingredients-wise in Sandstone, we've got sand, obviously. We also have glycerin, rapeseed oil, coconut oil. It says coconut oil and then it says extra virgin coconut oil. Is that different? I don't know. Coriander seed oil, cuba oil, gardenia extract, and I'm going to open it because obviously I need to show you guys what it looks like. but this is a really, really lovely soap. They've had this for quite a while. They had it when I worked there anyway, and it's a really lovely product. So this is what it looks like. This is a really good piece too, because the sand's like distributed all the way through. Oh, it smells incredible. It smells like sour lemon sherbet. That's what it smells like. So fresh. And essentially what it is because it has got the sand running all the way through it, it is an exfoliating soap. It's so beautiful. It's a very soft to the touch soap as well. It's got a very kind of, I don't want to say a slimy texture because it's not, moisturising. That's the word, not slimy. But it smells really good. Oh, I love that. Dad, you smashed it. 10 out of 10. Even though I think you bought all this for yourself, you still smashed it, so I love that. So that is everything for this video. Let me know down below how you guys thought my dad did. I think he smashed it. However, I feel like he bought all of his favourite items because he loves all of those things, I think, and especially this. I think he would really like that actually. So maybe he's just bought all his favourite things, I don't know, but I really, really like it. My favourite item, I would have to say, is either going to be the Dirty Shaving Cream because I haven't used this in years, or the Sandstone Soap because I think for this time of year it is perfect. It's kind of moisturising but scrubby at the same time, so I love that. Don't forget to let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on this haul. Did he do better than my mum? Let me know down below because I'd love to know who you thought did it better. If you haven't seen my mum doing my Lush haul, make sure you check out that video. But yes, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so, so much as always. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.